Savings Way thrift store right now with the kids, and it's a really small thrift store, but they don't really have anything I need, so really the kids are just in the toy section looking around.
Hey, Brooklyn, I found out this. Brooklyn, I found out this.
Today is 50% off, but I still can't find anything to buy, and I'm hot and irritated with my mask, so yeah. Let me see my grocery list. River, are you coming?
So there's River. This is Brooklyn. Trying not to get right on the camera, and Jordeyn. And right now we're at Aldi, so guess we're at Aldi.
Put your feet in this.
And so we're at Aldi, like I said once again.
They have this Hawaiian loaf, so I'm gonna try that. Hopefully that's yummy. Hi! It's super bright and it's super hot. The dashboard says 106 degrees on the car. And we are headed to a nature trail, I think, to walk a little bit. So hopefully we don't become scrambled eggs. And locking the door or something or other. And I just needed to get out of the house. We got almost all the rooms carpet cleaned. I think there's 2 rooms left to clean with the carpet cleaner. And then we need to vacuum and wipe the walls and dust spider webs. And then we can start getting rooms set up, which is really fun to do. I get my internet on the 11th, so then I can get back to editing and uploading. Oh, I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay, there we go. Get my internet on the 11th, and I can get back to editing and uploading. So that is the plan. And I just can't wait to get back to like a normal routine, because unpacking and living in limbo is annoying, to say the least. I don't know, Madison's Nature Trail, I think, or Mountain Green Nature Trail. The ride up here was beautiful. I wish I could have vlogged it, because we're winding up these roads with these houses on these hills. Beautiful. So I'm excited to see what's on this nature trail.
I like purple after. I like purple after it.
So pretty. In the area where you can eat. When we get out of a closed restroom. Wow, very pretty.
Mommy, the Miss Cat with that buffalo.
Want me to hold Ryder? Okay. Having fun, babe?
Yeah.
This is my photographer right here. Okay, Jordan, they're great. Wherever you need to wait for us, okay? You want to be safe. Where? That's the bridge. That's not the log cabin, it's the bridge. Scared you? Only Jordan. Where? Oh, I see it. I don't have that great of a zoom though. Back to the car, and now we are leaving. And it was really pretty. I definitely want to come back again, take a different trail, take a different way. I took a picture of the map and I'll insert it in here. I'm not sure how far we walked, probably about a mile, maybe more than a mile. It went a big circle around the lake, and now Ryder is going to compete with me for sound. It's funny because this street is called South Shawnee Road, and we just sold our house on Shawnee in New York. So obviously it's destined that we buy a house on this hilltop in our Alabama career, or our time spent here in Alabama. Oh my gosh, Ryder! Look at River, she is not. Hi, River. Hi, Ryder. We had lots of fun at Green Mountain Nature Park. It was very, very fun, very pretty. They're building a lot of homes over here. They're building a lot of homes everywhere. Our realtor told us that 100 families a month are moving to Alabama, which is just nuts. So I guess that's why they're building so much here in Alabama. Houses are pretty. The driveways are crazy steep, but the houses are pretty.